The withdrawal rate looks at the percentage of your wealth that you take each year, and it's calculated by dividing what your wealth is by the income that you're taking, excluding anything coming from state pensions or defined benefit. So this ties in with the 4% rule, which says that you only have a 5% chance of running out of money if you take 4% of your wealth each year indexed with inflation. But what you can do is squeeze more money than that. So there's a guy called Abraham Okusanya who wrote a book, Beyond the 4% Rule, and he says you should really aim to take more than 4% in the first few years of retirement and then less than 4% of the back end of your retirement. So what we end up with is some targets that are in the red bars, and you ideally want to be within that target range. And then the actual withdrawal percentage is the yellow line. And what happens, particularly here in this middle bit, is that the yellow line goes up over time because of inflation. And then when you change to a new phase of retirement, the yellow line will decline and ideally pop back into the new target band. So this is only a guide. It doesn't really matter if you do actually exceed the target bar, and you should look at this alongside your wealth over time and compare the two, which you can do on the tab summary graphs, and that way you get a better overall picture of what's going on with your income, your wealth, and the withdrawal rate.